We're going to do a quick walk around video of the 69 Camaro. It is an X55 code Super Sport. As you can see there. There you go, X55 code. It's supposed to be Daytona yellow. Daytona yellow top and bottom. That's what that 76 is for. Has the power brakes, factory front disc brakes like it should. And I guess these springs, the Super Sports, were bigger than the regular ones. It has those. Let me see what else we got going on here. Okay, the body's in really good condition. As you can see, paint ain't that great. Has little chips in there. But the body itself is in excellent condition. It does have a little bit of rust. I'm going to point that out to you, but first I'm going to show you these body panels. These body panels are exactly how they look in this video. That's how they are in person. I know sometimes they look better in pictures and in the videos than they do in person. So a quick walk around of it. Has a 12-volt rear end in it. I imagine that's the original 12-volt rear end. I haven't checked the numbers on it. I don't know what the gear ratio is. As you can see, the top is straight. Trunk's also straight. Some extra light. Show you guys around the wheel wells. These are in good shape. Rockers are good also. There's no rust on these rockers. The doors are pretty straight. They're well, actually really straight. See the bottom of the doors. There's no rust on them. It's a really nice project. No rust here. Then you go to the clean. Around the windows is clean. No rust. I'll show you outside in a bit. The back window's the same way. There's no rust. As you can see. Show the other side of the window real quick. No rust here either. There's rust right here on the dash. It's on this. It goes through here and here. And then it stops and then it starts again over there. When I do get to this car, I might replace this whole thing or just replace the rusty parts. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if that's the original steering wheel, but it looks like it from what I've seen in the pictures. Floor. Oh, just as rusted here. Somebody removed it and cut out this panel and then welded in. The good thing is they didn't cut it too far, so it can be cut and then welded in nice. Like it should. Back right here is good. I don't see any rust holes here. I did see a couple little tiny holes over here. That one right there, that dark spot. There's another one. The rest of it looks okay. It could be replaced. I do have the floor panels for both sides complete. From right up underneath the back seat all the way up to the front. I have both sides, and I have the trunk. their trunk does need to be replaced for sure. There's a center console car, which is cool. Shows 92,000 miles, 92,500 on the dash. I don't know about all that. Can't stand behind any of that. But this is a very solid project, as you can see. The doors close pretty good too. Let's open the trunk. Okay, here's the trunk. There's a rust right there. The top is good though. Top is not rusted out. It's right here. And then there's some here that's rusted out. Out there. This top part's good, which is fine because the frame rails go through here in the back. So this part will be cut out and then butt welded together. I do have the whole pan. See, it looks good there. I've gotten some that get all rusted out in this area and they get all eaten up, but this one's good. There's a 12 bolt. Looks like somebody cleaned it up. Came with these rallies. I think they're 17-inch rallies it came with. Yeah, they're 17-inch rallies. Tires have good thread, but they're a little bit old, I think. It does have the door glass and the rear quarter glass is here also. Both sides of the doors. It doesn't have the windows, the front window or the rear window. It does have door glass. I have a box of miscellaneous things like the heater box and a couple other little things that I have for it. A wire harness for the engine. But yeah, that's about it. Give it a shot. The only thing holding me back from finishing this one is, like I was telling you in my last video, I gotta try to finish my truck. And it's getting there, as you can see. But now that I'm putting it back together, I'm trying to replace all the, or fix all the rust that this one has. Like in this area. That's where the heater went. It had big old holes in it and stuff, so I welded that all in and cleaned it up. I gotta finish this side, like little holes like that. I gotta weld them in and sand them down. As you can see down here, this corner on this fender was all rotted out, so I had to fix that. I had to fix this cab corner, was all rusted out. Replace that. And then, see on this side, I replaced the cab corner. As you can see, the bottom of that fender still needs to be replaced before I actually finish putting everything in. But it's getting there. But that's the only reason I'm not jumping on that 69 Camaro. Or else I would, but I gotta finish this truck. I need to get it running and driving. As you can see, it's coming along pretty good. Corvette rear end suspension's on there. I got the tank plumbed in and just kind of wired for now. That wire's going into the ignition. I have a wire harness and everything that I'm gonna put on it. The wire harness for the engine itself is done. It's already done and cleaned up. It's kind of laying there because I had to take it down from over there where I welded that up, because that's where it goes. It goes bolted up to the firewall, and it goes up there nice and neat. I want to keep the two harnesses separate because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that Corvette motor in here. That's a C4 Corvette motor that came with this suspension. So I'm not sure if I'm going to end up keeping it or if I'm going to end up using this other motor over here. LS3 motor. I finally got it running and understand and everything else. So we'll see how that goes. So anyways, thank you for watching.